And here we go. You got 2014 5-star box break number 4 at the stroke of midnight. Yeah. I'm going to get some more breaks listed up for you guys. Like I said, I think there's 24 more rounds are sold out right now already. I stopped selling right whenever we went live, but are pretty close to it. So I'll get them back up there. Don't you worry. Might just throw you guys a curveball right now, but there's Jason S., Jeremy, Isaac Hope, everybody up in there. Good to have you guys on board. Thanks so much. And here we go. All right. So you got Rashad Jennings. Is that what is that the Giants? So Rashad Jennings to the Giants, I believe. All right, then you got Paul Richardson. And then you got Dre Archer going to Pittsburgh. Pittsburgh. Steeler guy 67. That's your PC team, obviously. Let me get some focus. What's going on here, Dre? Jeez. Then you got Zach Matt and Cheeseburger. And that's going to Tennessee. That's Jim. There you go, bud. You got short print. 3 out of 25. Victor Cruz. Going to those Giants. It'll be Zeke's 13. And that is 3 out of 25. The Rainbow Parallel. Victor Cruz. And then to end off this first case, you got a little Leon Sandcastle. 6 out of 10, Dion. Going to Hotlanta. So me, Taylor, 216, put a little Dion on the board. So that's all she wrote for that first case of 5-star. Are we going to tap into another case of it? Yes.